What's up, Team T, baby? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? I'm doing good. Well, how y'all doing? So, today I have some pretty cool stuff to talk to you guys about. I am pretty excited because I am partnering up with Skillshare. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of this before, but to be 100% honest, I never heard about Skillshare until they sent me an email and I was like, oh my god, this is so cool. I have so much more things to explore and share with you guys. So I get a lot of questions asked about, you know, entrepreneurship, about cooking, about vegan, about a lot of the things that I do, and I try and answer most questions through like everything through social media, on YouTube, on Instagram, all the different questions I have, you know, my food page, my Instagram page, and my YouTube page. I'm trying to get to all the questions that people have about working either for yourself or how to go vegan, or what do I eat, or how to cook, or things like that. And I get questions all the time. So like I said, I try and answer most of your questions. One of the biggest questions is, you know, about cooking, what to eat when you want to go vegan, how to cook, what's the proper way to cook, what are the easiest ways to cook, things like that. So when I actually scrolled upon this email and decided to work with Skillshare, it is crazy, amazing, amazing, amazing. So there's basically over 26,000 classes on Skillshare that are top quality classes where people teach you things that you want to know or what to do, besides, like, you know, us creators here like me that are putting out content for you with my cooking videos, which I'm of course going to get to more, since now that I'm in my new house and new kitchen, I can start chopping it up for you guys again on these videos on how to. I've put out a lot of recipes, but this website has thousands of classes, and not only just on cooking, but on anything. So like, if you need tips on entrepreneurs, like entrepreneurship, arts, business, like so many things, it's crazy. There's like thousands of classes of professional students and people, you know, teaching you exactly what the questions that you might have and things that you want to know. It's basically like, I would say, school at home on steroids. It's amazing. Like, for me, I learned everything on my own. So when people ask me how did I start YouTube, I learned it on my own. I researched it. I went to Google. For everything, my banner, my title, my this, my that, how to make a cover page. Like, literally, you guys, everything is on the internet. So for my basically whole entrepreneurship life, well, this is just the beginning for me. I researched everything. So it's really cool because, like, I'm not bashing anyone who goes to school, but if school is not for you and you want to become an entrepreneur and do something outside of business school-wise, you can learn everything that you need on the computer. Literally, there's so much to be made and so much to do with the internet, your phone, and the computer. So Skillshare, when they reached out to me, I was like, oh my god, I have to check this out. This is amazing. And over thousands and thousands of classes, like over 26,000 classes of just whatever you want to know. I researched the culinary section, and they have so much cool stuff for, obviously, chef. So Chef T was having the time of her life there. And it only, I think if you pay for like the month or the year up front, it totals only to about $10 a month for unlimited classes, which is really cheap. That's like buying 2 cups of Starbucks. I mean, come on, you can learn something new every day, which you should be. That's another thing that I like to tell people, you guys, if you're not learning something new every day, you're not bettering yourself. So if you want to better yourself, you need to be learning something new every day, because you guys, life is short and you need to exercise not only the muscles, the stomach, the brain is the most important thing that you need to exercise. One of your biggest muscle groups, like, that thing needs to be worked overtime. So no matter what, with whatever you do, take a time, at least an hour a day, 2 hours a day, whatever, to yourself, to exercise your brain, okay? So that is very, very important. Nobody wants to talk to somebody who doesn't know about anything or is an airhead. Anyways, let me not go there. But yeah, so you guys check out Skillshare. The other cool thing that I got for you guys, which I love when I'm able to do stuff like this for you or for anyone who's on Team T Baby or anyone who is visiting my channel, is I'll have a link below that you guys can click on, and I believe you get the first 2 months for free, unlimited videos to try it out. So definitely check that out. Yeah, so anyways, like I said, I am going to be making more cooking videos so I can also teach you guys my ways and what I like to do in the kitchen, and easier way on how to go vegan. I get so many questions on, I want to go vegan but I don't know what to eat. How do I get protein? How do I get fats? How do I get this? How do I get carbs? How do I know if I'm eating enough for my muscles, my this, my that? So I also want to throw out there to you guys that I want to start doing my what's it called, meal preps again for you guys, like online. Obviously I can't get to everybody in person, actually physically cook for you, which one day my restaurant you'll be able to try it. But I want to put it out there that if you guys are interested in wanting to learn how to go vegan, and you need a meal plan or a workout plan, I do offer those as well. So you can send me an email at tbabylove1234@gmail. It's always in my description for any serious inquiries. So yeah, how to go vegan, tips on how to start to go vegan, how I went vegan. I'm at 1 year and 3 months now, so I feel like after I hit my 1 year mark is really when now I can really start helping people even more. As you guys saw my last 1 year journey of putting out so many vegan recipes for you guys. I cook about 4 to 5 times a day. So I'm still perfecting my craft, but this is my true passion. And to show that I'm an example that you can be vegan and still gain lean muscle mass, you can still lose weight. You just feel so good inside and out. Like, I've never felt this good in my life. I've never felt this much energy. My skin, my hair, my nails, like everything, you guys, it heals anything inside and out. Like, I healed my kidneys. I know someone who healed cancer, diabetes. You have to realize that you are what you eat, literally, like to the T. So I don't know if you guys knew about this, but I've said it before in a video. For example, mushrooms, when you cut a mushroom in half, it looks like your ear. So mushrooms are good for your ears. Carrots, when you cut a carrot, it looks like your pupil. Those are good for your eyes. Kidney beans, when you look at a kidney bean, it looks just like your kidney, and those are great for your kidneys. So actually, when I healed my kidneys, I didn't even realize it. I was eating a lot of kidney beans, because when you're vegan, you eat a lot of beans. So I just naturally did it that way, of course, with everything else. So much, like chia seeds, you don't need salmon, because chia seeds have 3 times the amount of omega-3 fatty acids, which are good for your hair, your skin, your nails, the natural fats that you need. Avocado, of course, is my best friend. Avocado is amazing for you. There's so much, but like I said, if you guys need help with that, I'm here to help. And as much as I hope my recipes help you, you might need more in depth of knowing how you're gonna hit your proteins, how you're gonna hit your fats, your carbs, etc. So your girl is here to help you. But yeah, and drink plenty of water. You guys drink plenty of water every day. So anyways, I want to close out this video. Thank you, Skillshare, for bringing this into my life, because I like to learn things every day. I like to learn new things, and to have creators out there who put in the time, I know what it takes, and they're doing professional classes on there. And for only 10 bucks a month, you guys have to realize the value that you're getting in all this content. That's really like, if you put all those people together, you get unlimited classes. It's crazy. It's amazing. And I'm like, $10, like that's a meal right there. And that's for the whole month. And you guys can just go all wild out and go watch all these classes whenever you want. I know you have time, and I know you can make time. Anything you want to do, you can make time for. Besides that, if you need help with vegan, if you need help with cooking, if you need help with getting these gains, hit up your girl, because I would love to help you guys with going plant-based. If I can help one more person each day go vegan, that makes my day, and that makes me happy. I had someone yesterday call me, a doctor, and we were talking about my kidneys. Anyways, long story short, she went vegan again, and I'm just like, okay, there we go. After talking to her for about an hour, made my day. She went vegan again. And yeah, so you guys are helping me when you go vegan, because that makes me happy, and that's one of my goals every day, is to help somebody else go vegan. Okay, so everything will be right at the top of the description below. Don't forget to check it out. Send me an email, send me a DM on Instagram at tbabylove2. And I'll see you on my next video. I love you, team.